This pie is the perfect combination of simplicity, nutrition, and rich flavor. Light yet satisfying, it won't weigh you down with heavy dough, while still keeping you full thanks to its high protein content. It's a great option for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Quick, delicious, and effortless. Start with the batter. In a bowl, combine the flour with 3 eggs and mix until smooth. Then add the yogurt and melted butter, stirring until everything is well combined. Finish by adding the baking powder. Give it one last mix and set the batter aside. Now, let's prepare the filling. Carefully cut the onion and mushrooms into small pieces, then cook them in a pan until they are fully done, soft in texture, and lightly golden in color. I personally prefer a softer, more delicate texture, so I run the cooked mushrooms through a meat grinder. But this step is totally optional. It will still taste great either way. Now take your baking dish, line it with parchment paper, and pour in half of the batter. Spoon the mushroom filling onto the dough and spread it evenly. Then sprinkle generously with grated cheese. Cover everything with the remaining batter, smooth it out, and finish with a sprinkle of seeds on top for extra texture. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And very soon, you'll have a golden aromatni pie that surprises with its lightness while still being perfectly satisfying. I really hope you like it. If you try this recipe, please come back and write a comment. Tell me how it went, what you liked, and if you changed anything. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.